Question 9, part A. What is the square of 1? Well, the square of 1, imagine a square that had a length of 1 and a width of 1. Its area would be 1 times 1. So square of 1 is 1 times by itself, which is equal to 1. So our answer is 1. Part B. Work out 2 cubed plus the square root of 9. Let's work these two bits out separately. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times by another 2 is 8. The square root of 9, which number multiplied by itself equals 9? It's 3. So then we've got 8, which is 2 cubed, plus the square root of 9. 8 plus 3, because 2 cubed is 8, square root of 9 is 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Part B, part 2. Work out the cube root of 125. So which number times by itself 3 times is equal to 125? Now the clue here is to look at the last digit. Numbers which multiply together to give 5, it can only be 5. So 5 times 5 is 25, multiplied by another 5 is 125. So therefore the cube root of 125 is equal to 5. Work out part 3, work out 0.8 times 0.5. Well, we know that 8 times 5 is equal to 40. So 0.8 times 5 is equal to 4.0. I've divided this by 10, divide my answer by 10. So 0.8 times, divide by another 10, times 0.8 times by 0.5 is equal to 4.0 divided by 10, 0.4. So the answer is 0.4. The other way we can look at that, 0.8 times 0.5 to check our answer. 5 times 8 is 40, and I've got one decimal place here in my question, another decimal place here in my question, so 2 decimal places in total. So move back 1, 2 decimal places. My answer is 0.40, which is exactly the same as 0.4. Part C, part 1. Ken thinks that 21 is a prime number. Give a reason why he is wrong. Well, quite simply, 21 is in the 3 times table because 3 times 7. And that's as good a reason as any, is to say that 21 can be divided by 3 and 7. Part 2. Write down the next prime number after 13. So our prime numbers can only be divided by themselves and 1. They don't appear in any other times table. 2 is the only even prime number. After that we have 3, 5, 7. 9 isn't, because 9 can be divisible by 3. 11, 13. So we're looking, there isn't any other even prime numbers because 2 is the only even prime number, because every other even number is in the 2 times table. So let's look for the next odd numbers after 13. 15, well 15 no, because it's in the 3 times table and the 5 times table. 17, yes, because it's not in any other times table. It can only be divided by itself and 1. So the next prime number after 13 is 17.